Today we will be going over the Union Distinct node. The Union Distinct node in Sparkflows works similar to the Union Distinct function in SQL in that it finds all the similar rows between two datasets, not including repeated rows. In this workflow, we have a structured CSV file containing information regarding the iris plant. This CSV file is then split twice, and then the Union Distinct node finds all the similar rows between these two splits, not including repeated rows. The print n rows node prints out the first 10 rows of the Union Distinct node. When we execute this workflow, we see the expected result at the bottom of the results tab.